Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to present about our food product development, which is the theme is Science to Snack. Next, this is the table of content. First, introduction of our product. Second, the novelty and uniqueness of our product. Third, our product process flow. Fourth, ingredients and costing. Fifth, packaging. And lastly, sensory evaluation. Okay, now let me introduce you to our product. Our product, Popia Mochi or Pochi, is a savory fusion snack that combines the chewy texture of traditional mochi skew with flavorful fillings such as mac and cheese and sambal ikan bilis. Unlike conventional mochi, which is usually sweet and round, our product is rolled into a Popia-inspired shape, making it visually attractive and unique. This combination of different cultures, flavors, and textures creates a distinctive eating experience that sets our product apart from existing snacks in the market. Next, I would like to explain the novelty of our product. The first novelty is the transformation of a traditional sweet mochi into a savory snack product. Traditionally, mochi is commonly associated with sweet fillings. However, our product introduced a new concept by incorporating savory fillings, namely mac and cheese and sambal ikan bilis. This provides consumers with a different flavors experience while maintaining the characteristic chewy texture of mochi. Secondly, our product contains lower sugar content compared to conventional mochi. Since traditional mochi products often rely on sweet fillings and added sugar to enhance flavor, they generally contain higher sugar levels. In contrast, our savory formulation reduces the dependence on sugar, making it more suitable option for consumers who prefer less sweet snack products. Another novelty of our product is its nutritional value. The mac and cheese filling contributes calcium, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. This nutritional benefit adds value beyond taste and texture. Finally, the product contains a relatively higher protein content compared to conventional sweet mochi. The protein is contributed by the ingredients such as cheese, milk products, and anchovies. Protein is essential for body growth, tissue repair, and muscle maintenance, making the product more nutritious and satisfying. Now, I will discuss the uniqueness of our product. The first unique feature of mochi is the combination of the chewy texture of mochi with the shape and appearance of a popia. Typically, mochi is round in shape, whereas our product is designed in a popia-like form. This creates a distinctive appearance that attracts consumers' interest and differentiates it from conventional mochi products available in the market. Secondly, the product represents a fusion of Japanese, Western, and Malaysian food cultures. The mochi skin originates from Japanese cuisine, the mac and cheese filling reflects Western culinary influence, and the sambal ikan bilis filling represents traditional Malaysian flavors. The combination of these cultural elements creates a unique fusion product that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Another unique characteristic is the contrast of texture and flavors. Consumers can enjoy the soft, elastic, and chewy texture of the mochi skin together with the creamy texture of mac and cheese or the spicy and savory taste of sambal ikan bilis. This contrast enhances the overall sensory experience and make the product more enjoyable. In addition, our product offers flavor options that cater to different consumer preference. Consumers who prefer creamy and mild flavors can choose mac and cheese, while those who enjoy spicy local flavors can select sambal ikan bilis. This versatility increases the product market appeal. Finally, pochi is suitable for multiple eating occasions. It can be consumed as a snack, between meals, as a light meal, or as a convenient on-the-go food product. This flexibility adds value and convenience for consumers with busy lifestyle.
Next, I will explain our product development process flow. In this project, we developed 3 food products which are mochi skin, anchovy sambal, and mac and cheese. Each product went through different processing steps to achieve the desired texture, flavor, and quality. First, for the mochi skin development, the process starts with weighing the ingredient to ensure the correct formulation and consistency of the product. Next, all ingredients were mixed together until a uniform mixture was formed. The mixture then went through the cooking process to achieve the desired texture. After cooking, the dough was kneaded to improve its elasticity and smoothness. Finally, the mochi skin was shaped into the desired form before becoming the final product. For the anchovy sambal, the process started with ingredient preparation, where the raw materials such as anchovy and other ingredients were prepared. Next, the anchovy were fried to enhance their flavor and achieve a better texture. After frying, the ingredient underwent grinding and texture refining to reduce coarseness and create smoother texture. Then, the sambal paste was prepared by combining the blended ingredient. The process continued with cooking and mixing to ensure all ingredients were well combined and the desired flavor was achieved. For the mac and cheese development, the process began with ingredient preparation, where all raw materials were measured and prepared. Next, the pasta was cooked until the desired texture was obtained. After that, a garlic butter base was prepared by cooking garlic with butter to enhance the aroma and flavor of the product. Then, the cheese sauce was prepared by combining the required ingredient to create a creamy texture. Finally, the pasta and cheese sauce were mixed together to produce the final mac and cheese product. Overall, each product involved different processing techniques to improve its texture, flavor, and overall quality. The following video shows our actual product development process.
This slide shows the costing for our pochi dough. We use 5 main ingredients, which are glutinous rice flour, corn flour, sugar, full cream milk, and whipping cream. The highest cost comes from whipping cream, which costs RM2.67. This is followed by glutinous rice flour at RM1.75. The remaining ingredients, including corn flour, sugar, and full cream milk, contribute smaller amounts to the total cost. After adding all the ingredient costs, the total cost to prepare one batch of pochi dough is RM4.83. Next, this slide shows the costing for our mac and cheese filling. We use ingredients such as butter, full cream milk, macaroni, flour, garlic, seasonings, and cheddar cheese. The highest cost comes from full cream milk, which costs RM1.53. This is followed by macaroni at RM1.10 and cheddar cheese at RM1. The remaining ingredients such as butter, flour, garlic, and seasonings contribute smaller amounts to the total cost. After adding all ingredients cost, the total cost to prepare the mac and cheese filling is RM4.81. Next, this slide shows the costing for our sambal bilis filling. We use several ingredients such as dried anchovies, onion, chili paste, tamarind paste, garlic, sugar, and cooking oil. The highest cost comes from dried anchovies, which costs RM3.30. This is followed by cooking oil at RM1.30 and chili paste at 84¢. The remaining ingredients, including onion, tamarind paste, garlic, and sugar, contribute smaller amounts to the total cost. After adding all the ingredient costs, the total cost to prepare the sambal bilis filling is RM5.77. This is our costing for our product packaging. We use two packaging items, which are a packaging box and a plastic food container. The packaging has the highest cost, which is RM5. Meanwhile, the plastic food container costs RM2.38. After adding both packaging costs together, the total packaging cost is RM7.38. This is our estimated selling price and profit calculation. For one batch, we can produce 28 pieces of pochis. The total production cost includes the cost of pochi dough, mac and cheese filling, sambal bilis filling, and packaging. After adding all these costs together, the total production cost is RM22.79. To find the cost per piece, we divide the total cost by 28 pieces. This gives us a cost of 81¢ per piece. We decided to set the selling price at RM1.50 per piece. Since one container contains 4 pieces, the selling price per container is RM6. To calculate net profit, we subtract the total cost for 4 pieces, which is RM3.24 from the selling price of RM6. Therefore, our net profit per container is RM2.76.
Our primary packaging, we use clear recyclable PET plastic tray with a food-grade moisture resistant and paperboard sleeve. This material keeps the mochi structurally secure and fresh in the chilled environment. As shown in the slide, our label covers all the regulatory requirements, such as for the display, we have the pochi brand name, logo, flavor, halal logo, and the network of our pochi. We also include the ingredient for both pochi wrap and the fillings, which is mac and cheese and sambal filling. We also include the allergen warning for milk, meat, and fish. Also showing nutrition specs for calorie of each serving. We also include manufacturing date and expiry date, and also scannable barcode. For our secondary packaging during logistics, we'll pack the finished product into boxes, and we will maintain the mandatory cooking below 4 degrees Celsius. This box will line with insulated insert and packed with non-toxic gel ice pack to ensure our primary packaging arrive at retail outlet perfectly intact, moisture-free, and safe for consumption.
For sensory evaluation, we use 1 to 9 score for head and scale. There are 30 panelists that participated in our sensory evaluation. For sample 100, no panelists gave scores of 1, 2, or 3. Scores of 4 and 5 were each selected by 3.6% of panelists. A total of 28.6% of the panelists rated the sample as 6, while the highest percentage of response was observed at score 7, which is 35.7%. In addition, 28.6% of the panelists gave a score of 8. Overall, the majority of panelists rated the sample 100 between 6 and 8, indicating a generally favorable acceptance. Based on the overall acceptance results for sample 101, there are none of the panelists with scores of 1, 2, or 3. A small percentage of panelists rated the sample as 4, which is 3.6%. Scores of 5 and 6 were each given by 10.7% of the panelists. Meanwhile, 21.4% of the panelists gave a score of 7. The highest percentage of responses was recorded at score 8, with 39.3% of panelists selecting this score, followed by 14.3% of panelists who rated the sample as 9. These findings indicate that most panelists generally like the product. For the second bar chart, it shows the mean percentage of overall acceptance for each sample. For sample 100, the mean percentage is 75.79%, meanwhile for sample 101 is 18.56%.